Okay guys, this is another unboxing video. This time it's the PlayStation 5 Midnight Black faceplates. Nothing major, just something to make it look cosmetically cool. Nothing wrong with the white, but we have been having the white since it came out, so something a little different we can do. Don't know if I'll get any of the other colors, not really too interested in it. Plus black matches my entertainment center. Haven't gotten the Midnight Black PS5 controller yet, so it's gonna be black console with a white controller. Anyway, I'll go ahead and get this out of here. Okay, so that was kind of a pain to get out of the outer box. So let's go ahead and get in it here. First one come out here. I love the wrapping that they always use to wrap everything from their consoles to their DVD players to everything that they make. They have this nice wrapping that really does protect things. So that's actually the back half or bottom or side. In my case, it would be the side, the disc cover side. So there's that one. So I have mine standing up. There's the other one here. Get out of here. Okay, there's that one with the of course the PlayStation cut out there. And the nice thing about these is they are Sony branded, so they are virtually identical in every feature as the white ones. They even have the imprints of the PlayStation symbols, on the edges and stuff. My camera's not good enough to show that, unfortunately. But it is there. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and assemble this, and I will be right back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like up close, all put together. Looks very nice. It matches a lot better with my entertainment center than the white does, even though I don't have a problem with anything standing out. Rather, kind of reminds me of Batman a lot, looking the way it does, and so this is the way it looks with starting up. Looks pretty cool. I'm happy with, it only costed $60 out the door for the side plates. Makes it look nice. It matches, everything on my entertainment center. So that's pretty much it. I mean, real simple. Just another unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Um, if something comes along and I'm able to afford to buy something else, here in the near future, you guys will be seeing more from me. Anyway, take care out there, everybody. Stay safe. Until next time.